nakita namin ang record sa NBI sa piskalya na nangyari yung pagkawala ni Macdom year 2000.
Aha.
Tapos 2001 nag-file ng kidnapping case ang NBI.
Mr. Matabato, against records of the NBI, failed to state here that he has been charged with kidnapping with ransom by the and none of those who he accused were mentioned in that
It
information.
may not have been mentioned by Mr. Matubato in the course of his testimony, but it forms part of my notes.
Maybe it was an oversight on the part of Secretary De Lima that information was not given to us at the proper
Bakit hindi
time.
siya nag-manifest noong tinatanong natin si Matubato?
Siguro po hindi ko to nakita sa notes ko at that time when he was testifying.
Kasi po, sana, kung na-manifest yun noon, baka hindi na natin ipatawag itong mga pulis na nanggaling pa sa Davao.
Well, let me just point out that this is a vital piece of information, a very critical piece of information that should have been revealed
When
here.
did you interview Mr.
September
Matubato?
2,
or
before
after
the hearing.
Thank you.
Before,
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Marami ho talaga akong notes. And then kasama nga ho sa sinasabi ni Mr. Batubato na tungkol dun sa alleged abduction na yan kay Macdom.
I have the copy of the counter affidavit of Mr. Edgar Matubato regarding the kidnapping of Macdom.
I must say I'm very disappointed with Senator De Lima. I'm sorry, Senator. I said it was an oversight. But obviously, we're all lawyers here. That matter of information cannot be forgotten. It would appear that in order to evade the light of scrutiny, he deliberately misled us to make us believe that he had no case and that it happened at a different date. And most of all, he implicated people here who, per NBI investigation, are not even part of that investigation. My colleagues, I just want to read a note here. It says, Senator Trillanes' staff said that Matubato had to leave. I only got this note now. And that's why I'm very umbraged by it. Para bang, nung nabuko na, biglang wala na.
Although I hate to admit this, that we were all taken for a ride by Mr. Matubato. And it's so frustrating that after all, we're not smarter than the first grader.
I think that's an unfair conclusion. That's why we're holding
That's
this
my opinion,
inquiry.
Senator De Lima.
That
We
there
call for
is-
this policeman so he can be confronted, or he can confront this policeman, but he left.
And the orders on him was that he should stay.
So probably we can ask Senator Trillanes why.
We already did. But according to him, he was afraid for the security.
I
We
will
could
go-
have thought of asking him to already face the rest earlier because he was here the whole day. In the morning, as early as 7 o'clock in the morning, he was here.
The order of the chair is that he must stay. That is the order of the chair. So that in case he will be needed, he will be presented. He has no business leaving the premises without telling the chair. Now, it just happens to be coincidental na nung umalis siya, lumabas ngayon itong nangyari ito. He has to answer for lying to the committee, for misleading the committee.
Hindi po, wala po nanloloko sa inyo. Ako po, hindi po ako
No, we're
nanloloko
not
sa
accusing
inyo.
you. We're accusing Matubato of fooling this committee, lying through his teeth, and then running away from it.
Eh baka umiiwas siya, baka lumabas yung katotohanan. At umiiwas siya.
I feel very much betrayed by it, quite frankly. Not by Mr. Matubato, but by our fellow senators here as well. He was still here at the time. But all of a sudden, when the dam broke, he's gone. I will have order in this chamber. It is no laughing matter. This is serious. That is material concealment. I cannot make that pass. That concealment is really despicable. Eh pagkatapos bigla tayo nag-iimbestiga rito, tapos bigla lalayasan tayo, yung pala meron tinatago na sinasabi, ay meron na palang ebidensya laban sa kanya at siya itinahid sa ng NBI. Paano naman natin palulusutin yan?
But I challenge this foreign media. Now put on your front page that this witness took also you for a ride because you printed it without checking first and cross-examining this witness. In fact, some of these publications came out before Mr. Matubato testified here.
Pero wag ho kayong magbibigay ng conclusion na meron kami ditong
Mr.
sinasadya
Chairman,
na pinapaalis ho namin
who
siya.
made first the conclusion? Isn't it you and Senator Trillanes? Kayo may conclusion nung una eh. That's why we allowed Mr. Matubato to testify and testify and testify kahit pabali-baliktad. We went backwards.
Hindi ko po matanggap yon na ganyan na may mga insinuasyon kayo na sinasadya namin na pinapaalis.
Ano siya? Special ba siya?
Pinatawag sa rito, hindi pa tayo tapos dito, tapos lalayasan lang tayo na hindi natin alam.
I strongly protest the claim that there has been a material concealment.
If you are trying to stipulate na tayo pang may kasalanan dito, kami pang may kasalanan dito, naniwala kami,
He was never asked.
not
We
a
didn't ask because we did not know, but you knew.
The very fact that you had information while this was going on, it could not come across your mind na you had information na salungat doon sa sinasabi na Matubato.
Ano po bang salungat?
May I please continue? I have given you so much leverage here. I've allowed you an extended amount of time. The point that I want to make here, salungat yung sinasabi doon sa nalalaman mo na nasa note mo na si Matubato pala ay may kaso ng kidnapping for ransom in the case of Sally Macdum. Na meron kang note doon na very, very significant that could change a tide of opinion.
It was not the call of Mr. Matubato. It was my call since I was providing protective custody to Mr. Matubato.
For the first time, you're acknowledging that you are protecting the witness.
Yes.
I did not know that.
Mr. Matubato told this committee during the first hearing that a case was filed against him as a result of the Matubato abduction.
I'm so sorry, Mr. Chair, but I really detest the claim of material concealment.
He came down here and accused everybody. And kunyari siya ang hero na he's testifying against all the others that went with him to kill Macdum. Now, it turns out that you have a note that you concealed to the committee.
On page 166 of the September 15, 2016 hearing, I quote the chairman, Senator De Lima, okay, yung pagpatay kay Sally Macdum, pinaninindigan nyo ba iyon na mayroon kayong pinatay na tao na pangalan Sally Macdum? Mr. Matubato, opo ma'am, kasi pinailan ako ng kaso ma'am ng kidnapping kang Sally Macdum. Hindi ko sila tinuro, parang inako ko rin. Pinailan ako sa NBI.
So what is that?
So after all the rants and accusations, I believe Senator De Lima deserves an apology, Mr. Chairman.
What apology are you talking about?
I
There
demand
is no need an
apology.
apology because you have the information. You had the information from the very
Transcript is for
beginning.
the committee, Mr. Chairman.
From
But it was in the
2002.
transcript already.
2002. Would you please don't melt down, please? You're melting down.
No, sir. No, sir.
The charge was 2002, si Macdum pinatay. Ngayon lumabas 2000. We had to go chasing all these phantom ghosts. We have to ask people here. We're not wasting the time of the people here, you know. Pagunda rin tayo lahat eh.
Mr. Chair, one issue at a time. Alamin muna natin kung nasabi ba yon o tinanong kay Mr. Matubato tungkol dyan sa pag-file. Kasi hindi rin po ako sigurado. In the meantime, before checking the TSN, you're accusing me or you have accused me
This committee was
of
made to believe.
material concealment. Walang concealment dahil nabanggit naman po ni Mr. Matubato. Kaya pala nandun yun sa notes ko kasi nabanggit naman. So where is the material concealment on the part of Senator De Lima? It pains me to be accused of
Well,
material concealment. There's no material concealment because
I am
it
not
was
going to go back on
mentioned. It was mentioned. There's nothing to disclose to the body after the witness had disclosed it.
Senator Trillanes is correct in sense that Mr. Matubato said that finailan ng NBI. But hindi po yun yung concealment eh. Pinailan po sa piskalya. And ang fiscal, ito po, and the fiscal po, Nag-submit pa nga ng affidavit, ng counter affidavit si Mr. Matubato at ito pa nga nakalagay sa kanyang counter affidavit. In the morning of November 9, 2000, Eric was with 3 companions who I never met before. They look like the military. Transcript, paulit-ulit po si Mr. Matubato na 2002, paulit-ulit siya na yung mga pulis na sinasabi niya ang pumatay. At nung sinabi lang sa NBI, hindi niya sinabi na merong kaso sa piskalya ng Samal, nandito po, siya mismo nag-file ng counter affidavit, no? So to the chairman's point, there were things that at the very least were not revealed to the committee. But may I yield to Senator Pacquiao? I think he has it.
Your accusation was very, very clear that he did not
Oh, I'm not
disclose
withdrawing it. Not on your life, boy.
Oh, well,
I'm not withdrawing
well,
it.
you're mistaken, and
No,
you're
no.
showing your bias, Mr.
Let me
Chairman.
very clear. Let me
You're
be
showing
very
your
clear.
bias as the chairman,
Bias?
and
Who's biased?
Mr. Chairman.
the apology is warranted. An apology is warranted,
I will
Mr.
tell you the
Chairman.
concealment. I will tell you the concealment.
I could not have concealed it because it was disclosed already.
Okay, I will let you melt down and have the floor. All you want.
And since no apology is forthcoming, I'm walking out.
You can
Because clearly,
Mi-
there
mi-
was
mi-
no
Mr. Chairman.
concealment on my part because it was disclosed already.
disclose.
I'm walking out. It was disclosed by the witness. So what is there to conceal? It was disclosed. The record is very clear.
You know, I remember when we were.
So I
remember when we found out a while ago.
Since there's
you were
no-
very meek as a lamb. You know, I didn't know. I had it in my notes. Oh, I'm sorry. I did not know.
I didn't say that.
No, you were very meek as a lamb. And remember that I was not holding.
That's why
I was not the
said.
chair on the first. You were the first.
That's
And
why
when
I said.
the concealment was done, perhaps not by Matubato, because I was not here at the time, but the concealment was done by you. Because when
could
Matubato,
there be concealment?
when Matubato was testifying, don't you think it was incumbent upon your part to say, I have information that this guy has been fired. Can we call on the NBI to produce that testimony?
Mr. Matubato
Chairman,
already
I
said
move to
that
suspend the
Mr.
hearing.
Matubato has already said
Mr.
that
Chairman,
a case
Mr.
was
Chairman.
filed
In fact-
against him.
Out of respect for everybody, I will
I
suspend
am
the
walking
hearing.
out.
Mr. Chairman.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry for you then.
Nakakahiya sa atin,
Sir Chair.
no? Nakakahiya sa atin na Mr. Chairman na ganyanin tayo para nga isahan tayo. Sabi nga ni Senador Lacson, na isahan tayo ng grade 1. Naisahan tayo.
In fact, just a while ago, I'm sorry she left. I told her, relax lang. I'll give you all the latitude. Don't get emotional. That's why I apologize. Ako na magtatanong para hindi ka hindi ka masyadong mainit. If totoo na sinabi niya na sabi ni Matubato na siya ay may kaso na kidnapping for ransom based on this particular witness by the name of Macdum, bakit pa natin pinayagan tumuloy na mag-testify at magtuturo ng kung sino-sino rito on kidnapping for ransom? Why should we believe you? Because ikaw ay may kaso laban dito sa taong ito. Dapat sinabi na kagad ni Senator De Lima, may kidnapping for ransom. Alam ko yan, ito na. Hindi. Dahan-dahan sinabi. Now, to walk out on a committee is cowardice. To come out with a press release after walking out on a committee and not settling the issue here, because we could have called a suspension. I was ready to call a suspension. When Senator Trillanes arrived, lumakas na ang loob ni Senator De Lima at nagsisigaw na siya rito, well, sorry na lang. It's incumbent upon anybody who presents a witness here that there must be corroborating material. So, I am not going to back down on that concealment. Maybe, hindi nag-conceal si Matubato. Ang nag-conceal si Senator De Lima because I am not walking on eggs for anybody. I am trying to be fair to everybody. We must go beyond fixing the blame because that is what we're here for. That is what we're elected for. To fix the problem, not to fix the blame. But we must do so in a very frank, candid, collected manner that we can solve the problem together. I would have loved to solve the problem with Senator De Lima. But right now, she's busy conducting a press conference. We will have a caucus tomorrow. We will report to the
Mr.
rest of
Chairman.
the Senate, and we will lay down the line. If an ethics charge is going to be done, then let it happen.
Mr. Chairman, I have a very important...
I will tell you the concealment.
I could not have concealed it because it was disclosed already.
Okay, I will let you melt down and have the floor. All you want.
And since no apology is forthcoming, I'm walking out.
You can
Because clearly,
Mi-
there
mi-
was
mi-
no
Mr. Chairman.
concealment on my part because it was disclosed already.
disclose.
I'm walking out. It was disclosed by the witness. So what is there to conceal? It was disclosed. The record is very clear.
You know, I remember when we were.
So I
remember when we found out a while ago.
Since there's
you were
no-
very meek as a lamb. You know, I didn't know. I had it in my notes. Oh, I'm sorry. I did not know.
I didn't say that.
No, you were very meek as a lamb. And remember that I was not holding.
That's why
I was not the
said.
chair on the first. You were the first.
That's
And
why
when
I said.
the concealment was done, perhaps not by Matubato, because I was not here at the time, but the concealment was done by you. Because when
could there be concealment?
Matubato was testifying, don't you think it was incumbent upon your part to say, I have information that this guy has been fired. Can we call on the NBI to produce that testimony?
Mr. Matubato already said
Move to
that.
suspend the...
Mr. Matubato has already said
Mr.
that
Chairman,
a case
Mr.
was
Chairman.
filed
In-
against him.
Out of respect for everybody, I will
I am
suspend the
walking
hearing.
out.
Mr. Chairman.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry for you then.
Mr. Chairman,
Sa relo, it's a simple test of credibility and honesty of the witness. Nagkwento siya, sabi niya, bumili siya ng relo, pero yung lumang relo niya, ibinigay niya yung bago sinuot niya. So kaya sinabi natin, i-check natin yung serial number na nakalagay dun sa resibo and dun sa relo kung nagsasabi siya ng totoo. So ito may warranty card, andiyan dyan yung serial number. Ito simple lang ito. SPO3 Las Cañas. I gave you the chance na magsabi ng totoo. Wala naman, harmless ito. Itong tinanong sa'yo. Pero instinctively, kailangan mong gumawa ng kwento. Ngayon nung binigyan kita ng pagkakataon to change it, hindi, nanindigan ka. Ito ngayon ang lumabas. Nakalagay dun sa relo ni Mr. Matubato yung serial number na nagmamatch doon sa resibo. So nakita nyo, it's a harmless question but instinctively you lied.
Yes, go ahead.
Just as a point of information, dahil mahilig din ako sa G-Shock. Iba ho ang G-Shock at Protrek. So I was just wondering why the receipt and the are different. Maybe it's a mistake by the dealer or something. But I googled it to be sure. Protrek versus G-Shock. Magkaiba siya. So there might be some mistake there. But I will not contest any of the points made here today.